Let's make a soft, juicy and flavorful pan-seared steak perfected in a hot cast iron skillet.
Today we are going to make two pan-seared steaks. One T-bone steak which is about an inch of thickness and about a pound or 450 grams. And one flank steak which is 3/4 of an inch thickness and it's also about a pound or 450 grams. Take the steaks out of the refrigerator about 10 minutes before seasoning. Make sure the steaks are completely dry. Pat dry both sides with a paper towel. Now let's season this steak. Add 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you are using table salt, use half teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon per steak. Add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper to each of the steaks. And season the other side too. Kosher salt.
Black pepper
And 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon per steak. Preheat a cast iron skillet in medium-high flame. Once the skillet is heated, add some olive oil to it. See the smoke coming out of this? That means the pan is completely hot. And this is what we want. Make sure to spread the oil everywhere. Add the steak to the pan. Hear that sound? That's a good sign. It's fully heated. I'm going to cook this to a medium doneness, so 4 minutes each side. For rare, 2 minutes each side. For medium rare, 3 minutes each side. For medium, 4 minutes each side. And for well done 5 to 6 minutes each side. Crush 4 cloves of garlic and a half-inch piece of ginger. Once the bottom side is cooked for about 2 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of butter to it. Add the crushed garlic and the crushed ginger and 2 sprigs of rosemary. Baste the top with this melted butter. Once one side is cooked for 4 minutes, turn this around. And let the other side cook for 4 minutes. Baste the top with butter. So it absorbs all the flavors of the garlic and ginger and rosemary. Another 4 minutes into cooking, turn it off.
Transfer the steaks to a cutting board. See how moist, soft and juicy these steaks are with a nice crust on both sides. Medium done. This baby is looking so delicious.
And let this rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. After 10 minutes, let's slice the steak. See this all juicy, light pink in the middle. And a beautiful dark brown crust. Slide this against the grain at an angle. Let's slice this one too, the T-bone steak.
This is such a soft, juicy, flavorful and tasty steak. Try this steak recipe next time. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, a thumbs up and a comment are always sweet. Please check out other travel and cooking videos in the channel. Thank you for watching.